Yeah, so we're just flicking this big tremor out. It's really interesting. I actually haven't been to Lake Mulwala other than being full, so really interesting. It's sort of sitting around that 60% mark. How this sort of edge timber is standing so tall, it's quite freaky. Yeah, very much a different looking lake. So yeah, we're just sort of off to the main river here, just focusing on the edges, the timber, just flicking this big tremor out, hoping we might get a surface bite, but yeah, I haven't had a lot of luck with the surface, but I sort of want to break the ice if I can. I'm feeling pretty confident, eh? So, who knows? So the plan is sort of flick this around for a little while. Sun's yet to come up, so I might wait for the sun just about to peek its head over, and I think I'll get underneath, try a different spot. But certainly seen a few fish jump, which is always positive. Bit of bait, being chased around. So it can happen, Just love to get a big one. Love to get a metery off the surface. I haven't got a metery off the surface. So yeah, hopefully today is the day. Oh! Oh! And there you go, there's my first boof. Ah, how good's that? Just seeing so much bait. And I'm just seeing a lot of carp sort of rising. Now whether they're sort of feeding as well or whether they're being chased by fish, who knows, but certainly plenty of activity, which is always good to see. Especially with the water being so cold. Obviously coming up into the shallow stuff where it's a little bit warmer, potentially where the bait is. Service are a little bit longer. Those that watch my channel know I haven't had the greatest success when it comes to surface. So yeah, sort of keen to throw this around for a little bit more. Get one. Oh, so close. So close. Alrighty, yeah, it's enough surface. 2 boofs, so that was exciting. I actually haven't had any boofs for a long time, so yeah, sort of got the bug going, which is really good. So we're going to get underneath the surface now. I think I might grab a coffee. Sun's just sort of coming up, and yeah, we'll give that a whirl. Try a few different baits and we'll see how we go. Fish, where'd you go? Yeah, got him! Oh, there's another one in there too. There's two of them. Look at that! There's a nice one. Nice one. Yep. No, it was a different one. I just spotted them. There's two of them. So there you have it, guys. Pretty tough day on the lake. Yeah, we only had the 2 boofs and yeah, 1 fish late in the day. Pretty tough going, but yeah, that's winter fishing. Had lots of fun though. Hope you enjoyed the vid. If you did, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one.